stay tuned. We're going to do a vegan mapo tofu Asian fusion recipe, and we are going to do a collaboration doing some really decorative chopstick wire art. Culture Eater, how are you guys doing today? I am so excited. Today we are having a fabulous collaboration with my friend
Heather Boyd,
and she has a YouTube channel called
Heather Boyd Wire.
And what's your channel about?
My channel is all about DIY wire art and jewelry.
She does really fabulous stuff, and we decided to do a collaboration by doing an Asian recipe here, and we're going to eat it with these very decorative chopsticks and another set of pair of chopsticks that if you're not good, you're not going to drop them. Make sure to check the links above with the wire art projects on Heather's channel, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos to come.
I'm going to just get it started for you for the first one.
Check out my first chopstick. Isn't that pretty?
Oh, they look fantastic.
Yeah. Check out my work. I did all of this beading by, well, with a little bit of help, but by myself. And let's do our mapo tofu so we can try out their chopsticks. Mapo tofu is a Sichuan recipe, which is in Central South China. And in English, it means stir-fried bean curd in chili sauce. So I hope that you enjoyed those little clips of us doing the decorative chopsticks. Now we're going to do the recipe. I've pre-cut everything. I will have the full recipe down below in the description. This is a vegan version, as I mentioned before. So first step, this is the first time I'm using this, I think, on camera, so we'll stop and start the video as needed. So first we are heating up our oil, and I will ask you to pass me this dish. We have some chopped garlic and ginger.
Yum.
That we're going just to saute a little bit until it's fragrant. We'll just saute that a little bit. And so as I mentioned before, we are substituting the meat with some mushrooms.
Yum.
We have regular white mushrooms that you find at a store, and I have these wood ear mushrooms. You buy them dried, and then you soak them in water and they expand. Like this is about this.
Wow.
They just expand.
Wow.
And they kind of have no flavor, but they just take on the flavor, but they have like a meatier texture. So they'll be perfect for substituting meat. We're just sauteing this a little bit.
Smells good.
Yeah, ginger and garlic is always amazing.
Love it.
And then we will throw in our mushrooms. Do you want to put the mushrooms in, Heather?
There we go. Keep it out. Don't want to waste it.
And we will saute that for a bit.
Oh, it smells so good. I wish we could like capture the smell and you all could smell it. So you know it smells when you smell it. I feel like I'm really like close.
Yes, she's not officially in the collaboration,
Yeah, she's
but
in the
who are you?
Hi, my name's Mimi B Dolls. I make videos about opening dolls and vlogging, going to see the doll stores, and I do photo shoots, and I'm a photographer. You can find me at Mimi B Dolls on YouTube, and Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.
And we'll link up to that to your channel as
Yeah,
well.
thank you.
And yes, the mushrooms are coming along. So the mushrooms are ready. And now we're going to put the sauce, a fermented bean sauce with some spicy oil. So this dish is famous for having like an oily red residue, actually. But it's really good, and there's some miso in there, and we have soy sauce, sesame oil, broad bean paste, brown rice vinegar, some little bit of starch to thicken it, some Shaoxing wine, which is a rice wine, fermented rice wine. And there's probably other stuff. Just check the recipe down below. So we're just going to bring this to a boil with the mushrooms. Since it's a Sichuan recipe, we will use some Sichuan peppers. And it's got a very lemony, numbing taste.
That's what I thought.
Yes,
It smells
it's
lemony.
really lemony,
Yeah.
but it numbs your tongue.
Wow.
It's not like a spicy, it's a numbing spicy. So our sauce is thickened pretty much. I'll show you a quick look. There we go. And now we are going to add the tofu
Okay.
and gently toss it. Go ahead.
Put it in. Oh, there's water in there. Is that okay?
Yeah, it'll just boil up.
Okay.
And we'll put in a little bit of the Szechuan peppers. Maybe not too much, since it's got a lot of kick. And we're just gonna gently stir this and mix it up a bit and just let it warm up and let the flavors infuse the tofu.
This is soft tofu?
It's a silken tofu. Yeah, so it's
Okay.
the softest one.
Wow.
So we'll just let that cook for a little bit and we'll be back and serve the dish. So we are ready to serve up. I've prepared some black Chinese glutinous rice. I forget the specific name of this rice, but it's forbidden rice. Yes, it's black forbidden rice because at the time only the emperor was allowed to eat this rice.
Very cool.
Now everybody can. So we're going to serve a little bit of rice in the bowl, and we are going to spoon some. Actually, I'm going to need this spoon too.
Okay.
Some of our mapo tofu in there. Maybe get a little bit of the sauce. Sprinkle a little bit of scallions, chopped scallions, and there we go. We have our vegan mapo tofu. So let me show you guys a little bit closer. And we'll take some other shots of it as well. So here we have our final vegan mapo tofu dish with our forbidden rice and my gorgeous chopsticks that Heather Boyd-Wyer showed me how to make.
So now we're gonna try our special chopsticks.
Smells good.
Smells amazing.
Mm.
Oh my god. It's so good, Evelyn.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm so glad you like it. I think the chopsticks make it taste even better as well.
Awesome. So you guys gotta check out this recipe. So now we're gonna try these fancy chopsticks that I made these little metal springs for.
It's so brilliant. So they stay together for somebody who's not used to eating with chopsticks.
There we go. And they totally work. Mmm, yummy.
Is that good?
Perfect. They work perfect and it tastes amazing.
Aren't those just so beautiful? Thank you so much, Heather, for coming here today and doing this collab. Make sure to go check out her video as well and sign up to her channel. And as always, remember to always eat and travel outside of your comfort zone. Leave us comments below. Bye. You know, this is a great vegan option. Was it good?
Awesome.
It was so good. And yeah, I'm gonna have to do my outro after because I don't have the food in front of me. So forget that. I have to do my outro later.
Those are really yummy beans.